In 2012, 14 years ago, my uncle was murdered by foreign nationals in his home, in front of his wife and children. And all because he chose, as a South African man, to run a bread delivery business in order to provide for his family. It wasn't a robbery. They didn't rob him because he had, I think, 5,000 rand in his pocket, which they didn't take. Because foreign nationals decided that they alone are the ones who can run a bread delivery business. And this wasn't even the first attempt on his life. I think there was one time that they tried to ride him off the road. Yeah. So the anger that is being displayed in the streets in South Africa today, it's not from yesterday. It's something that we've been dealing with for many years. And ons is nou gatvol nou. And I am highly, highly disappointed. Disappointed is too light a word. Ons is bevolk man. Ons is bedonderd. We are mad at our government for allowing these things to fester soos 'n kanker. Hulle broei uit soos kakkelakke. En ons is nou klaar nou. Because it's not xenophobic to want your laws to be enforced. And I think as South Africans, we need to empower ourselves with the knowledge of what is written in our Immigration Act. Because I made a video the other day about 3 things that, we think that we should, at least the minimum standards should be for people working in South Africa. And then I saw online about 648,000 Rand is the minimum salary for a person wanting to come and work in South Africa. Ek het nooit hy geweet nie. Maar die mense werk aan hier vir 5,000 Rand 'n maand. So the laws are there. The laws are there, but the laws are not being enforced. So let's empower ourselves. I heard for the first time now about this 5 million Rand that is required to run a business in South Africa as a foreigner. Waar het my friend wat die spaza shop het, waar kry hy 5 million? Hy is 5 million, whatever sy currency is. Wat nog van rands? So we really need to stand up. We are going to lose our country. We are going to lose it if we don't fight.
And here again, we've got so many stories as South Africans that what foreigners have done to South African citizens, but our, voices, our complaints are not heard by the government. They protect them instead of protecting their own citizens. Okay. So to me, guys, I thank God for much and much. I don't want to lie. I thank God for much and much. They woke us up, okay? And it's about time that these illegal immigrants leave. It is definitely not xenophobic to want law and order in your country. Otherwise, do let me know what you guys think of this video and her story. Do comment in the comment section and let me know, and I'll definitely engage with you. Otherwise, I'll see you guys on my next video.